Hey everyone, welcome to ReemzGlam. My name is Rima and this channel is all about beauty, fashion and lifestyle. So today I will show you how to do this smoky eye look, this grey and black smoky eye. This is the exact same look which I wore in my previous video. So if you haven't seen that, click here. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe. I make video every Tuesday and Friday. So let's get started. So I have already prepped my skin with moisturizer. And now I'll start with my eyes first because we are doing a smoky eyes. So there can be a lot of fallouts. So let's get started. So at first I will prime my eyelid. So for that I am using this Color Bar Perfect Match primer. If you have any eye primer you can also use that, but I am going to use this one only. Next I'll be using a foundation, or you can also use a concealer. So I'll use it on my eyelids and then set it with a powder. Just use it lightly all over your eyelid. Moving on, next I am applying this a kohl pencil all over my eyelid. So for that I am using Lakme Eyeconic Kajal, and I'm going to just scribble it all over my eyelid. So you don't need to be perfect for this because we are anyways going to smudge it later. Next, take one pencil brush or any smudge brush like this and then just blend the edges. Just soften up the edges. But make sure that you are not going beyond your crease line. Make sure you are blending it very quickly, otherwise it will settle down because it's a smudge proof kajal. Next, I'll be using the MyGlamm Chisel It palette. I'll be using the contour shade right here. And I'm using this kind of a dome shape brush. I will just blend the shade right like this, just above my crease. Okay, so this is your crease. So just above that. And make sure that you are not going up to the eyebrow. Just here, right here. Next, with a flat eyeshadow brush like this, I'll be taking this color right here. This is sort of a grey color, and this palette is from Nykaa, just Wink It Wet and Dry eyeshadow palette, Crazy in Love. I'll be just pat the eyeshadow on my eyelid. Now I'll be just blending it again with this same brush. Hold the brush far away and in an angle like this. Now with a flat brush or a pencil brush, whatever you prefer, I'm going to take this color right here, and this one is Maybelline Nude palette. So I'm taking this color right here and I'll take the color on the tip of the brush. I'll apply this one on my crease. Next, again with this kind of a flat brush, I'm taking the black eyeshadow from the same Maybelline palette. You can use any black, but make sure that is a matte one. So I'll be just placing this eyeshadow on the last 1/3 of my eyelid. So right here. And guys, sorry about the sound because there is a construction going on right beside my home, so can't do anything about it. Then again take this brush and blend the shadow. the black one. As you can see, I'm just blending these two eyeshadows together so there won't be any harsh line. Now if you think that your previous eyeshadows got faded out a little bit because of the blending, so you can go ahead and apply one more layer. So what I'm doing is I'm again taking this dark brown eyeshadow right here in the same blending brush, and we'll just apply on my crease. Now again I'll be taking this color. A smoky eyes is all about going dark to light. So the darkest color will come very close to the lash line, and the way you go upward, the color will be lighter. So next I'll take the same Kajal, the Lakme Eyeconic black Kajal, and just draw a liner very close to my lash line. And again, you don't need to be very perfect because we are going to smudge it anyways. Then I'll take this kind of a sponge brush which comes with the eyeshadows. So I'll just smoke it out a little bit. We can take a little black eyeshadow and then blend it so that it will stay on for longer. So now as you can see, there are lots of fallouts all over my face. So I'll be using a makeup remover with a cotton pad and just clean up all the fallouts. So I will cover up my dark circles very well. So for that I'll use a corrector and concealer and of course powder. Now as my base is done, so I'll just take a little bit of loose powder and we'll just apply underneath my eyes. So the loose powder will catch all the fallouts and as well as brighten up our under eye a little bit. Now for our lower lash line, I'll start with the Eyeconic Kajal again and I'll apply it on my lower lash line. Then again I'll take this eyeshadow brush and will blend the Kajal. I'll take a little bit of black eyeshadow as well and then again blend it. Next I'll be taking this brown eyeshadow, this deep brown eyeshadow which we used before for our crease. I'll take the same eyeshadow and will apply it right under the black shadow. So like this. Next I'll take the grey eyeshadow in a small flat brush and will apply it in my inner corner like this. Next I'll just remove this loose powder. So next we're gonna take a blending brush and this light brown color and I'll blend my lower lash line very well. And also if there is any harsh line going on here, because I've done my base after my eyes, so here can be a little harsh line, so we'll blend everything and give it a very soft and smoky look. Next is I'll tightline my eyes. So for that I'll use the same Eyeconic Kajal and will tightline my eyes. Next, I'll curl my lashes and finish it off with loads of mascara. So that's my finished look. I paired up this eye look with a nude lipstick and a little bit of peachy blush. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media as well. The links are in the description box below. Okay, so I'll see you guys next Friday. Till then, take care.